So imagine you design a new product, but you want to ensure that the quality and feel meet your expectations before publishing it and marketing it. Whilst we have amazing mock-ups, there's nothing better than holding the finished product in your hands for the final look and feel. And finally, it's great to do your own photo shooting with a real life sample product for marketing purposes. So how do you order samples? It's really quite simple. In your Printify account, go to My Store, then right next to the Add Product button, there's a Get Samples button. After pressing that button, you'll see a list of all of your products. You can either search for a specific product or browse until you find it. Choose the product you want to order and select the product variants such as size and color. If you want to add more samples to this order, press Add from Created Products. Now press Continue with Shipping. The default shipping address is your contact address. If needed, you can edit this info. Press Continue to choose the shipping method. Here you can choose either standard shipping or express shipping. However, please remember that not all print providers offer express shipping. Finally, press Fulfill, where you may be asked to add your credit card info if you haven't already added it. And please remember, once you've sent an order to production, it cannot be changed. I hope this tutorial helped you, and I'm sure ordering samples will improve your customer satisfaction and in turn, your success. Please subscribe to Printify's channel to stay in the loop, and whilst you're at it, click that bell icon so you're the first to be notified when we release new content. Plus, check out these other tutorial videos, which we hope help you.